Hey everybody, Mark here, and today we're going to talk about the past perfect. Now my students told me, they said, Mark, this is not that difficult, and I agree with them. I don't think past perfect is too difficult, but I think it does require a little bit of rethinking to make sure that you understand it well. So let's get into the past perfect. So most of you know the present perfect. The present perfect is have or has plus a past participle. Have been, have gone, has eaten, has stayed. Those are present perfect simple sentences. Now the past perfect uses the word had plus a past participle like this. Here I have an example with Spider-Man. What if someone else besides Spider-Man had been bitten by the radioactive spider? So Spider-Man was bitten by a radioactive spider. They're imagining what would have happened if another person had been bitten. I won't go into the other grammar in this sentence, but the grammar had been, we can call the past perfect. So let's see, for our past perfect, when do we use this? When do we use the past perfect? We use it when we have two past actions. The past perfect can show us which action happened first. So let me show you what I mean. I was full. I'd already eaten breakfast. So that first state verb, I was full. I need to show why I was full. Well, why was I full? Something happened before. I had already eaten, so I was full. Two pasts, but eating happened before the feeling of being full, so I use the past perfect. I was sad because my wife had forgotten my birthday. Oh no. Of course my wife wouldn't forget my birthday, but I would feel sad, right? I would feel sad. So I was sad because my wife had forgotten my birthday. I was sad. Why? Because before she forgot. All right. Next, I realized. We often use this word with past perfect. I realized what? I realized I had forgotten my passport at home. I realized I had left my homework at home. So the problem from before, didn't do homework, didn't pack, didn't bring my passport, that happened before. So we can use the past perfect. Now for these examples, here's a breakdown one more time. You can see the words in red are the first action in my story. The words in blue are the second action in my story. First action, we're using past perfect, and second action, we're using past simple. Some more examples, right? I'll show you some more examples of how we use the past simple and the past perfect in the same sentence sometimes. So here's a teacher. My teacher was angry. I didn't do my homework. This is perfect English. I'm using the past simple. My teacher was angry. I didn't do my homework. Perfectly fine English. I watched TV all morning. I didn't do my homework. My teacher was very angry. This is a true story from when I was a child. I watched TV all evening. I didn't do my homework. My teacher was very angry. Those are two past actions, well, maybe three past actions, right? Watched TV, didn't do my homework, teacher was angry. How can we organize these three past actions into a sentence? Oh, here we go. I watched TV all evening and didn't do my homework, so my teacher was very angry, right? Those are my past actions. And then I can think about now as well. So now I'm telling my mother a story. I'm telling my mother a story about what happened. My mother says, "Why are you crying, Mark? Why are you crying, Mark?" Oh, the teacher yelled at me. Why did the teacher yell at you? She yelled at me. She was angry because I hadn't done my homework. I had watched TV all night, right? That first action, that before action, I'm using this had plus PP, right? I could keep it very simple. I could say I didn't do my homework so my teacher was angry. I didn't do my homework, so my teacher was angry. If it's obvious that one action happened after another action in the past, it's easy. We can use past simple the whole time. No worries. It's only if we have something where I want to show that this happened before, right? My teacher was angry. Why? Well, before that, I hadn't done my homework. That's why she was angry, because of that first action. That's whenever I like to use the had plus PP. All right. Now, final example. This is an example that we see in textbooks all the time. You probably have seen this in your textbook. I turned on the TV and the movie started. I turned on the TV, the movie had started. Are they the same or are they different? Let's find out. Look at my blue. The blue phrases in the sentence are past simple, right? I turned on the TV and the movie started. I turned on the TV and the movie had started. Had started is our past perfect, all right? So let's see how it changes. I turned on the TV and the movie started. Our past simple sentence, all past simple, it's simple. I turned on the TV 1, the movie started 2. This means I'm okay, I'm on time. I saw the beginning of the movie, I saw the whole movie. I turned on the TV and the movie started. Compare that with this sentence. I turned on the TV, the movie had already started. In this sentence, remember, if I see had PP, had started, happened before our past simple sentence. I turned on the TV, the movie had already started. It started before I turned on the TV. I was late. I didn't see the beginning of the movie. So I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed. I didn't see the beginning of the movie, right? That's the way that this grammar is different from just past simple. It's to show that before action anytime you see this grammar point. All right, I think that's enough for today from me. For you guys, please help me out. I want to hear about you. Why were you happy? Remember, this has to be 2 past actions. So I'll say, why were you happy? I was happy yesterday. I was happy yesterday because of what? I was happy yesterday because I had passed my test. I was happy yesterday because my wife had cooked me a delicious dinner. I was happy yesterday because I had left work early and I had had time to play video games. So cool, right? So think about that. What had happened to you yesterday that made you happy? Okay, give that a try. Also, oh yeah, here's some more examples I thought of. I forgot about these. I was happy because I'd passed the test. I'd won the lottery. My wife had made my favorite dish, right? Just like that. Think of your own 2 or 3 examples. Please comment them in either the comment section or any of these different locations. You can contact me, of course, on Twitter, on YouTube. We'd love to hear from you. We're thinking of some really cool projects to work on in the future with our students at ULC and also with our community here on YouTube. So please subscribe, like, to stay in the loop. We welcome your feedback as well. If there's something you'd like to talk about, some grammar point we haven't covered in our hundreds of grammar videos, we would love to hear from you guys. So that's all for now. Until next time, you can also think of one more question. Why was your son happy yesterday, right? So that's another bonus question. Why were you happy yesterday? Or why was your son happy yesterday? I'll catch you in the comments below.